Maraming natuklasan matapos ang 3 hearing na isinagawa ng Senate Committee on Foreign Relations ayon kay Senator Amy Marcos. Partikular ito sa pag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Duterte at pagsuko sa kanya ng pamahalaan sa International Criminal Court o ICC. Paliwanag ng mambabatas, may timeline siya na nagpapakita ng political events kung kailan nagsimula ang pakikipag-ugnayan ng pamahalaan sa naturang international tribunal.
We start with 2024 and thereafter August 2024, the progress of this effort against the Dutertes to bring them down is coherent in October 2024, finally resulting in the sudden arrest of the President on 11 March of this year. So this is how this transpired. I will allow you to take photos and perhaps on Tuesday I will have better opportunity to explain this in further detail.
Ayon pa kay Senador Marcos, ang mga ihahayag niya ay ang mga further findings mula sa pangunahing ibinunyag nito matapos ang unang Senate hearing ng komite.
I am not certain if we can conduct further investigations kasi walang sumisipot na testigo, ayaw pirmahan yung subpoena at mukhang hinaharang. Ang laging ginagamit, executive privilege, sub judice at kung ano-ano pa.
Magsisimula ang press conference ni Senador Amy Marcos alas 10 ngayong umaga. Asher Cadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.